RHS is getting some new secretaries. Here's a look on who they are and what they're going to do for us.
So he wants you to have it Bonnie Grimes.
Well, but he said he would call.
To text her.
Okay, let me check. He said,
My name is Brenda Gabbert. I'm going to be retiring at the end of the year, and they're wonderful ladies to work with, so it's been really a good experience. She will do an extremely well job because she already knows most of it, and what she's learning, she's picking up really quick, so it'll be a good transition.
Well, I am the finance secretary. I will request purchase orders for any staff when they need to spend money for their department. I answer phones, help people when they come in, pretty much help teachers with any questions they might have. So I have a lot to learn. I've learned a lot so far, but I know I have a lot to learn. Well, I work at Elmwood Middle School part-time, and I did purchase orders there too, answer phones, help customers. I'm the record secretary there. So any incoming students, I will get their records from the school they're coming from, and any outgoing students, I will send their records off to their new school.
I'm the receptionist at Rogers High School. I work in the main office. My responsibilities are greeting people when they come in, answering the phone, calling students down for the principals, making announcements on the intercom, taking care of lockers, and anything else that comes up during the day. Cindy Myers will be our new receptionist. She's going to do a great job. She's really outgoing and friendly, and I think she'll do great.